Simplify. Simplify cube root of 216. Solution. I want to simplify this. Now, we have cube root of 216. Now we use our table. Using our table, 216. Now, what number will divide 216 such that by the time you divide 216, there won't be any remainder? We can use 2. And 216 divided by 2, that is 108. So 2 can go again. 108 divided by 2 will give us 54. Dividing by 2, what do we have? 54 divided by 2, what do we have? That will give us 27. Now, what number can go in 27 without remainder? We have 3. 27 divided by 3, what do we have? 9. We use 3 also. 9 divided by 3, we also have 3. We use 3. 3 divided by 3, what do we have? 1. Now, this is what we are looking for. So, in this case, we do what we call grouping. Grouping in threes, so that they are the same number. Grouping in threes. Under cube root, we do what we call grouping in threes. Now, 1, 2, 3. Look at. These will come together, form 1. Then 1, 2, 3. Another set, the same number. So in this case, we can write this as cube root of what? Look at. What do we have here? The first 3. 2 raised to the power of what? 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to the power of 3. Times. Now the last set of 3. The last set, we have 1, 2, 3. That is 3 raised to the power of 3. So in this case, looking at what we have here, we can split this. This is something as cube root of 2 raised per 3. Also times what? Cube root of what? 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, the number you have here is the same thing as this. So what is the cube root? Is the base. 2. The number we have here is the same thing as the power. What is the cube root? Is the base, which is 3. This is the base. Then, cube root of 216 will be what? 2 times 3. That is what? 6. That's the solution to the problem. Thank you.